Your only salvation is a lumbering giant that looks like a civilian airliner, but functions as the ultimate lifeline of global air power. The Boeing KC-135 Stratotanker. People think it's just an old cargo plane with a pipe attached, but the sheer capacity and hidden mechanics of this flying leviathan will shatter your understanding of modern war. The history of the KC-135 is a gamble that changed aviation forever. In the 1950s, the US Air Force desperately needed a jet-powered tanker to keep nuclear-armed bombers airborne. Boeing took their secret Dash 80 prototype and birthed two legends from the exact same DNA: the commercial 707 airliner and the military KC-135. But beneath the familiar aluminum skin lies a beast built entirely for punishment. What airframe are we actually looking at? The KC-135 is a masterpiece of distributed weight. It stores fuel across massive internal wing tanks and giant fuselage bladders. Nearly every drop of that fuel, up to 200,000 pounds, can be pumped down a rigid flying boom into a thirsty receiver. It is essentially a floating bomb with wings, capable of offloading enough juice to fill multiple fighter jets and still fly home. The truth about the KC-135's longevity is that almost none of them are flying with their original equipment. The early A-model engines were loud, thirsty relics. To save the fleet, the Air Force gutted them and installed modern CFM turbofan engines. This upgrade turned an aging smoke chucker into a quiet, ultra-efficient machine that can offload 50% more fuel. The KC-135 is one of a handful of military aircraft to cross over 60 years of continuous active service. While newer replacements like the KC-46 face delays and technical hurdles, the Stratotanker remains the absolute backbone of American global reach. Without it, the entire global fleet of fighters and bombers would be chained to home soil within hours. We have uncovered the classified operational reports detailing the structural stress thresholds and lifetime extension plans meant to keep the KC-135 flying deep into the 2050s. Files the military keeps tightly sealed. If you want this exclusive intelligence dossier sent straight to your notifications, subscribe to Supersonic News right now and comment Stratotanker below. We will send the link directly to you. Do not get left behind.